One of the most significant real-time learning features of NetEmulator is the running network log. This unique feature lets you view the running commentary on actions taken during a network emulation session. Here, you see a running commentary at the top of the screen as the ARP request and reply move through the network, followed by the ping packet. If you want to see the details of everything that occurred during the session, you can do so with ease. Simply click on the down arrow at the top right of the screen, and a list of actions will appear, starting with the most recent action at the top. This game-changing feature provides clear visibility into how networks actually operate. By seeing each action as it happens, whether correct or incorrect, you gain a deeper, more intuitive understanding of network behavior, making it one of the most powerful learning tools available in network emulation.